Hi everyone, do you know what season it is? That's right, it's gardening season, and what that means is fresh gardening vegetables. So what we're going to be making today is a cucumber avocado soup. We have fresh cucumbers growing in our garden that we're going to be using. I'd like to say we're going to be using fresh avocados, but yeah, it's not going to happen. I do have an avocado plant that I started last year. This one's probably going to take another 7 to 10 years, but all is good. So for now, we're going to make with what we have, but we're going to do what we need to do. It's going to be delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it. Let's get to it. Okay, that soup was absolutely delicious. I love the texture of it. It was very creamy. The flavors, it was so good. The only thing I would probably do is just add some spices to it. Maybe some cayenne pepper or maybe some extra pepper to it if you like it a little spicy. But overall, it was fantastic. I liked it a lot. So if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Wouldn't want you to miss any of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.